Hello, welcome to Vista Solution. Today I am going to explain the complete live demo of Odoo Project Manufacturing.
Hello everyone, this is Praveen from Vista Solutions. Today I am going to show you the manufacturing process based on projects in Odoo. Odoo is a business management software that covers all your organization needs like CRM, e-commerce, accounting, inventory, manufacturing, etc. So let us start with Odoo's landing page. This is the landing page of the Odoo and it appears all the apps. You can open any apps by a single click only, or you can simply type the operation which we want to open, like purchase order. Purchase order will appear here, or for sales order you can type order only, it will appear here. Now we will go into the project app and we have configuration over here. In configuration we have three options: project process, project type and project stages. We will first see project type. Project type means here we can define a project template which is required to complete the project. Here we have defined for you. This is small project template. We'll explain all the fields here. We have processes. So it means the actual task of the project, task validity days, number of days to finish the task, project scope of that project. Then add followers. Add follower means if you want to customer is involved to finish the task, then we have to select this checkbox. Then assignee, to whom you want to assign the task. Task types, you can distinguish here main task or subtask. Then you can define subtask here. Then depend task. Depend task means on which task it is depend. Like if you want to define a task is depend on previous task, then we can select that task here, and while completion of this task, it will check whether this task is completed or not. If depend task is not completed, then Odoo will show you a message to complete that task first, and it will allow to complete the current task. Then we have each sample order for sample order. Then we have is manufacturing. It means if you select this checkbox, it will consider as a manufacturing task and it will create a manufacturing order automatically once this task is confirmed. Then we have is procurement. If you select this checkbox, then it will consider as a procurement task and it will create a purchase order once this task is confirmed. Is approval from higher authority. Then internal approval from your internal team. Then need customer feedback. If we want to take a feedback from the customer, then select this checkbox. Then let me open another option, which is project process. We can see all the processes of all the project templates here. Then we will see project stages. Here we can have stages of the project, which helps to see the status of the project. We can see whether the project is in new, in progress, or done, or cancelled. Now we will start from quotation. Before quotation, we will see the bill of material for which we are making the production. We have table is a finished good, and these are the input components. We have subassembly, tabletop, and input items, table leg, bolt, screw, and operation assembly. We have subassembly, tabletop, require wood panel, and operation manual assembly. Then we will start with quotation. We will create quotation. We will select the customer, the Jackson Group. Then we will select the project template which we configured in configuration. We have product, table, we have quantity, price will come automatically from master. Then we will select the project details. We will select the project start date, then project title, then scope of the project you can write here. Then we will save the quotation. As soon as I save the quotation, then we can see order line here. Then project processes came from the project template, which is small. Then component of the table, tabletop, table leg, bolt, and screw, and this is the project details. Now we will confirm the sales order. Once I confirm the sales order, then we have delivery, and then we have project overview here. We'll go into the project overview. Then we have project code here, project label, which is associated with the sales order. Then we will confirm the project. Once I confirm the project, 11 tasks are attached here. Then including 2 portal tasks. Portal task means the task which is required to finish the customer's help. So we will see the 11 tasks. You can see 11 tasks in a new stage. These red color tasks are our internal tasks, and blue color tasks are for customers. You can see the person also here, Gordon Owens. We will start from sales order confirmation. For this process, we will have timesheet over here and update the time. We can plan the time first, and we can select the person. We can have a description here. 2 hours. Then we will save the task. Then update the task. Now you can see the task updated from in progress to done. Then you can drag any task from any stage. Project kickoff. Then we will assign timesheet 4 hours. In description. Working with team. And 4 hours. Update the task. Now you can see the kickoff task is also completed. Then design phase. You can have timesheet for that also. For design, it took 8 hours. It can take hours, 8 hours. And person. It took 8 hours to prepare the design and update the status from in progress to done. Now this is customer's task. We need help from the customer to finish this task. So we'll go to the customer portal. This is customer portal, and we have the person button ons. We will select the email ID as a login ID of that portal. Select the login ID and we have password. This is the customer portal. Customer can log and check all the transactions like quotations, sales orders, purchase order, invoice and bills, projects, tasks, and timesheet also. We will check the project. Then we will check the project. Project code is 66, and this is the project code 66. And we can see the relevant tasks here. These are the tasks with their status. You can see the status also, new, done, in progress. And now customer will open the task and can communicate with this chatter. So he says, from my side, this task is approved. Now we'll go to the task and we will update, and we can see the customer's communication here. This is the customer communication. So now we can update the timesheet. So Doris is communicated with the customer. And it took 1 hour to communicate with the customer, and we'll save the timesheet and update the task. So one by one I will finish this task. This is the data is completed. So it took 6 hours. Initially we planned hours. These are the planned hours. So in 2 hours and multiple, then 2 hours we'll update and finish the task. Again, so we will complete this task. Then proof send task. We will complete this task. Now we have again customer task. Again we will go into the customer portal. Customer can see again all the tasks with updated status. This is the approve that task by communication, and we can see the communication over this chat. Yes, call done and approved. Then we will update the status of that task, and the task is finished. Then we have production task. In production task, it will create manufacturing, because we have selected ease manufacturing option on project template. So we will create manufacturing order. This will create a manufacturing order. This is the 58 number manufacturing order of table and with quantity 2. We have components over here: tabletop, table leg, board, screw, and work order of assembly line. Then we will confirm this manufacturing order. This manufacturing order create purchase order for raw materials and child manufacturing order for tabletop, which is our sub-assembly. This is our sub-assembly. Okay. Then we will do purchase first. We will confirm the purchase order. Bolt and screw. Receive the products. Material is received and validated. And we can see the manufacturing order. Then we have to complete child manufacturing order first to finish the main order. Open in new tab so that it will be easy for going back. So this is the child manufacturing order for tabletop, and this is the input item which is available, and this is the work order. So we will plan for the work order. Quantity is 2. With pass fail option, we will complete the manufacturing order. So the child manufacturing order is completed. Then we will go into the main manufacturing order. Again, we will create in a new tab. For main manufacturing order, everything is ready now, available. Now we'll plan for the work order. Then we will complete that work order. Quantity is 2. We have this tool also with 5 options are there. You can block the work order, you can add the scrap, you can add additional component while running the production. Then quality alerts, maintenance request, you can book here downtime of that machine. We have take a picture option. Then we will validate. Validate for table leg 8 quantity, bolt 8 quantity, screw 20 quantity, and it will create the checklist. So we will have this complete checklist after the production, and then we will complete the manufacturing order. This manufacturing is also completed, and we will see the status. We have completed the manufacturing order, and that task is also completed. Then we'll update the status. We have 5 others with multiple people also you can add. No description. 2 hours. Then add paid events. Meeting with customer for 2 hours and here and we'll update this task and complete this task. So we have incoming mail fetch and we'll complete this task. Again, we will go to the sales order 66. Then we will see the project overview. In project overview, all 11 tasks are completed, including the customer task. Okay. Then we will complete the task project and we will go into the sales order. Now we have to deliver the material because our manufacturing is completed. In delivery, we have two options: tag the material and deliver the material. We'll first complete the tag the material. And we have two tables to tag. Yes, material is tagged, and then we will deliver the material. This is also completed. Now material is delivered and invoice is pending. So we will prepare the invoice by create invoice. We will have regular invoice and this is the draft invoice. We will confirm the invoice and it will create final invoice. Now we have completed end-to-end cycle of manufacturing process. Now we will update the timesheet by timesheet journal entry in accounting. In timesheet journal entry, we have to select date, from date and to date. You can see all the timesheet entries with project tag 66. These are the timesheet entries. Here we will post this entry and we will see the reports from analytical tag, analytical report. In analytic report, you need to select the account 66 and project tag also 66. You can see the analytic entries which came from the timesheet. Then you can see timesheet reports, reporting and with project. This is our project 66, 26 hours you can see, and by task also. This is the project 66 and these are the tasks. This is the bifurcation of 26 hours, 5 hours plus 6 hours plus 1 hour. Okay. This is our complete end-to-end manufacturing process based on projects with timesheet. Thank you.
If you like to get more information on Odoo Project Manufacturing, reach out to us at sales@bystaysolutions.com. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.